A new highly modern flight chamber is being built in Neufahrn near Munich. Here you'll be able to feel the ultimate adrenaline rush of indoor skydiving. The Heavydrive team installs the curved XXL panes for the wind tunnel. The round flight chamber has a diameter of 4.5 meters and consists of 2 glass sections. In extremely confined conditions, the team has to install 16 spherically curved panes weighing up to 900 kilos. For this job, the MRK 144 assembly crane and the VSG 900KR vacuum suction system were used. The suction system has been specifically developed for curved panes. The VSG 900KR has a load capacity of up to 900 kilos. The system can be hydraulically tilted by 90 degrees and rotated by 360 degrees by motor. The pads are suctioned with a safe dual circuit system. The panes for the skydiving chamber near Munich are up to 8 meters high and 2 meters wide. The 36 pads of the VSG 900KR hold the XXL panes with a radius of up to 2.6 meters safely and precisely. The crane operator fits the pane into the assembly opening exactly to the millimeter. A facade climber guides the pane into the structure, as it's impossible to set up scaffolding above the air turbine. Due to the installed turbine, the ceiling load capacity is very low. To offer the perfect solution, the professional Heavydrive team had analysed these difficult installation conditions beforehand. The MRK 195 assembly crane with a load capacity of up to 6 tons was used in Neufahrn as well. Along with the panes, the crane also lifted the MRK 144 to the upper level. The extremely expensive panes for the wind tunnel had been flown in from abroad. The experienced team and the special Heavydrive systems ensure safe installation without leaving any traces. Heavydrive also offers assembly systems suitable for panes with a special coating or a sensitive surface, as well as elements made of stone, concrete, metal or wood. All around the world, the company is known as an expert for difficult installations. Heavydrive GmbH also has years of international experience in assembling flight chambers for recreation centers, on cruise ships or trade fairs. Within just 2 days, the Heavydrive team installs all 16 panes of the flight chamber safely and without any problems.